Tired of paper jams and endless printing? Let's ditch the paperwork and dive into DocuSign, your all-in-one solution for secure and streamlined document management. First things first, log into your DocuSign account, which brings you to your dashboard, your central hub for all document activity. From here, you can quickly access documents waiting for your signature, completed agreements, and start new workflows. To upload a document, hit the New button, then select Upload. Choose the file from your computer. DocuSign supports various formats like PDFs and Word documents. Now for the magic, drag and drop the signature field to where you need to sign. You can also add other fields like date, sign, name, and initial as required. Simply click and drag them from the left-hand panel. To send your document, click the Send button in the upper right-hand corner. Enter the recipient's email address and customize the subject and message of the email they'll receive. You can also set signing order. If you have multiple recipients, your recipient will receive an email with a link to review and sign the document. DocuSign guides them through the signing process step by step, ensuring accuracy and compliance. Once signed, DocuSign automatically generates a secure, legally binding document with a complete audit trail, showing who signed what and when. Everything is securely stored in your DocuSign account, accessible anytime, anywhere. From contract signings to approvals and HR forms, DocuSign handles it all. It simplifies complex workflows, reduces errors, and ensures legal compliance, saving you time and money. Start exploring DocuSign today and experience the power of digital signatures.